Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this diamond painting I got from AliExpress from Joyautum. This is actually the last diamond painting I have bought as of now. It's been more than a month since I've bought anything. So, yeah, this I bought. I wasn't planning to buy anything because I was already on my no buy before buying this, but I had gotten and finished or almost finished the Joyautum diamond painting I got earlier in December, and I loved it so much that I had to buy another one. Like, I'll link the completion video above if I remember. But yeah, no, I just had to buy another Joyautum diamond painting just because I enjoyed the first one so much. So I temporarily took myself off of the no buy just to buy this. So yeah, this is a very big diamond painting. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking buying it, but like I said, I enjoyed the other Joyautum one so much that I had to buy another one. So, okay, so yeah, so here is the diamond painting kit. It looks like there's like 5 baggies and then 4 pens and 2 boats. Oh yeah, 2 boats, 4 pens, and a lot of wax. So yeah, look at all these colors. It's a lot. Wow. And look, these are the special shapes that they're really pretty. They're like flowers. There looks like there's 3 different kinds. And from just looking at the bag, it looks like there's possibly 2 what's it called? ABs at the end. So these are gonna be round. Yeah, this is gonna be, but yeah, look at the awesome colors on this one. Okay, so you wanna know what the diamond painting is. So like the last Joyautum one I got, the diamonds, the canvas came in this sturdy tube. So, yeah. And it looks like it was shrink wrapped too. So hopefully I'll be able to get the diamond painting in camera, but I don't think so. This is gonna be, it's a 50 by 120. So I doubt I'll be able to get the whole thing in camera. Okay, I'm having the same issue I had the last time I got a Joyautum. It was so difficult to get it out of this tube, but it is poured glue, so yeah, okay. I don't wanna, okay, got it. So here it is. Okay, that's the bottom. So, okay, it looks like there's 60 colors in this, and I'm just gonna roll it the other way just because it seems to be pretty stiff. So this is gonna be a long, but long as in width, but not that wide in the top. So it should be easy-ish to work on because sometimes those bigger ones, it's hard to get to the center portions. Okay, so I did roll this up now. So this is, yeah, there's 60 colors in this, and it looks like there's 2 ABs in there. It's a mixture of letters and symbols. So let's see. Let's hope I rolled that. So here it is. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it all on screen, but there's some cherry blossoms here, a bridge, looks like some ducks or swans, and over here is a cottage with some deer here. It's not the clearest. Maybe I should have gone bigger, but I didn't really want to go that big because, yeah, doing big diamond paintings is so much effort. So yeah, I did say this was supposed to be a 50 by 120, but it doesn't look like it's 50 by 120. So let's see. Okay, so this is only 40 this way, and about 109 centimeters wide. Yeah, 109. So 40 by 109. So it's not completely 50 by 120, but I'm hoping with how much I really enjoyed my last Joyautum one that this will turn out just as good. Yeah, I think I should have went bigger. So this is probably about equivalent to about pretty much two 40 by 50s. So it might seem daunting, but if you think about these larger paintings as two of a smaller size that you have completed, it doesn't seem as big, right? So yeah, here it is. I'm not going to go and show you all the drills, but I figured let's look at the specials, and I'm going to inventory this after this, but let's see. Okay, so yeah, here are some white flowers. It does look like it has like some sprinkling of some, like there is a design on the flowers, not just like a flower. So here's them in yellow, and here's the pink ones. So yeah, that looks really good. And here are the two AB colors. So yeah, it looks like they're in the individual baggies. So if you like working out of the baggies, you could work out of these. For something like this size, I'm gonna kit this up. So I'll move this off to the side. So yeah, here it is. Maybe, you know what, when I look at this, I think this might be doable. I might try to do this for spring. So I might try to start this in March or February. But yeah, here it is. I hope it actually turns out just as well as my Christmas one. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna frame it. I don't know if there's frames this size, but I'll figure it out. All right, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.